Hello, today I am Colourful Unicorn Call 05 and today we will be playing Sunpoo. And that does sound a very weird name, but it's just like a pet poo. So I'm going to go to the lab and buy a max health, max potion. So that does everything, so we can just practically jump straight into it. Just going to give him a bit of a wash because he looks a bit dirty. And then we will jump right into this. In the comments, tell me what games you'd like me to play. If you want me to keep playing games like this, or if you want me to play like a series of games. So we'll go into the game room, play some colour tap. So let's go. I have played this game plenty before, that's why I've got so many coins. But yeah. If you hear any noises in the background, that is most likely my brother. Hey. That person. Go like, subscribe to him. You know, that person. Because that is all he is. He is that person. He does a lot of games about Pokemon Showdown. So if you'd rather see some Pokemon Showdown, any Pokemon related games. He also
I'm not playing Digimon.
Nope, not anything like that. He doesn't like it. But he does do different games as well. Pool Blizzard, you know. But the rest you'll have to go to his channel and find out. Make sure to subscribe to him, because some of his videos are alright, you know. Yeah. Probably not as good as mine, but he tries. Bear that in mind. So yeah, go check out his channel, definitely. It's a very good channel. Well, it's alright channel. Not really. So, I'll play some Food Drop next. Or you've got to move. And I believe if there's any like shoes or discs or ice creams or anything like toys and stuff, you have to dodge it or you die. Because, you know, eating bad stuff is not a good idea. Yeah, eating bad stuff, not a good idea. And always listen to your parents. And if you have nothing else to talk about,
like you do,
talk about parallel parking. I'm going to be doing, maybe, not every time, but asking you a question and then you have to answer it in the description, the comment section. Question of the day, as he likes to say.
Most people would call it.
Yeah, I'm not normal. So, I think this could be a 6 or 7 minute one. Or I don't really know. It all depends how many games we can get through, how quick we can get through them. I believe if you miss 8, you also end the game. Like if you miss 8 of them. Remember that? Yeah. I just got to level 9. So yeah. Yeah, I missed it, so we'll go do some I'll have a go at Cliff Dash. So, oh yes, okay, it should be fairly easy. Maybe not. Maybe not. Yes, we'll see how people might find this a bit tricky. Yeah, definitely a bit tricky. So yeah, tell me what videos you want to see. If you want me to do any other games, like just whatever you want to see. Tell me in the comment section. So remember, like, subscribe, comment. Go check out that Parsons channel. And the question of the day shall be, what is your favourite movie?
The Breakfast Club.
So, my mum says The Breakfast Club. Sam, that Parson?
Pokemon Forever.
Pokemon Forever. And I'd say mine might be possibly Annie or Legally Blonde or something like that sort of thing. So, bye. See you in the next video.